What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have to go to Best Buy for something, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to take the Subaru Sandbar on the interstate/highway and I'll give you guys a look as far as how it performs in that regard. I'm not going to talk a whole lot, so I'm just going to let you kind of form your own opinions based on what you can see from the speed and how it performs on the interstate. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support on the channel so far. I am making a video about how I imported the truck soon. I'm just trying to compile some information, make sure I don't miss anything, but it is coming out soon. So if you're new here, subscribe, make sure you don't miss that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on the road and I'll show you how it performs on the interstate/highway. Alright, well I got what I needed to get. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out the channel and subscribe if you're into more K-Truck stuff. I think we hit a top speed on the way here, which is always cool. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.